Have you ever listened to native English speakers and wondered why they say things so differently than what you learned in class? Today, I'm going to show you 10 expressions that native speakers use constantly, and I guarantee most of them are not in your textbook. Hey, welcome back to Daily English Edge. In the next 4 minutes, you're going to learn 10 real English expressions that will completely change how you sound when you speak. These are the phrases native speakers use every single day in casual conversation, at work, and with friends. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use them confidently yourself. Let's start. The first expression is, I'm down with that. This means you agree with something or you like an idea. It's very casual and friendly. For example, if your friend says, hey, let's grab pizza for lunch, you could say, yeah, I'm down with that. Or, my boss suggested we work from home on Fridays. And you respond, I'm totally down with that. You might also hear just, I'm down by itself. This is super common in casual English, so when you want to agree enthusiastically, this is perfect. Next is piece of cake. This expression means something is very easy. For example, if someone asks, can you fix this computer problem? And you know how to do it, you say, oh, that's a piece of cake. Or maybe your friend is worried about a test and you tell them, don't worry, it's a piece of cake. You might also hear people shorten it to just easy peasy or say a breeze, which means the exact same thing. When a task is simple and not difficult at all, this is the perfect phrase to use. The third expression is you nailed it. This means someone did something really well or perfectly. It's a compliment. For example, your friend gives a presentation at work and does an amazing job. So you tell them, you nailed it. Or maybe someone bakes a cake and it tastes delicious. You say, this is great, you nailed it. You can also use it for yourself. If you do something well, you can say, I nailed that test. This is one of the most common expressions native speakers use to praise someone, so use it often when people do good work. Expression number 4 is, that's a tough call. This means a decision is difficult to make because both options have good and bad sides. For example, someone might ask you, should I take this new job or stay at my current job? And you reply, that's a tough call. Both jobs seem good. Or, should I move to a new city? And you say, that's a tough call, my friend. You need to think carefully about it. When you don't want to tell someone what to do because the choice is hard, this phrase is perfect. Number 5 is, don't worry about it. This is what you say when someone is stressed or apologizing and you want to make them feel better. For example, your friend accidentally spills coffee on you and they say, I'm so sorry. You can respond, don't worry about it, it's just coffee. Or someone forgot your birthday and they apologize. You say, hey, don't worry about it, no problem. This expression is incredibly common and is one of the kindest ways to help someone relax and stop feeling bad. Expression 6 is, I've got your back. This means you will support and help someone no matter what. It shows loyalty and trust. For example, if your friend is nervous about a difficult situation, you can say, relax, I've got your back. Or if someone is facing a problem at work, a colleague might say, don't worry, I've got your back. This is a very powerful phrase that shows real friendship and support, and native speakers use it all the time with people they trust. Number 7 is, no worries. This is an extremely casual way to say, it's okay, or don't apologize. You'll hear this everywhere in native English conversations. Someone bumps into you on the street and says, sorry. You respond, no worries, mate. Or a friend is late to meet you, and they apologize. You say, no worries, I just got here too. This phrase is perfect for casual situations. It's friendly and relaxed, and it instantly makes someone feel better. Use this one constantly. The 8th expression is, what's up? Or, what's good? These are casual greetings that mean, hello, how are you? But here's the thing. Native speakers often don't expect a long answer. If someone asks, what's up? You can just say, hey, not much, what about you? Or, what's good, my friend, means the same thing. These are super informal and friendly, and they're used constantly in casual English. You'll hear them in bars, at work, on the street, everywhere. Number 9 is that's not my thing. This means you don't enjoy something or it's not something you like to do. For example, someone invites you to a rock concert, but you don't like rock music, so you say, thanks for the invite, but rock music is not really my thing. Or, cooking is not my thing, meaning you don't enjoy cooking. You can also say, that's not really my cup of tea, which means the exact same thing. This is a polite and friendly way to decline something without being rude. And finally, expression number 10 is I can't even. This is modern slang that means you're so shocked, frustrated, or overwhelmed that you can't even finish your sentence. For example, if something is absolutely crazy or unbelievable, you say, did you see that? I literally can't even. Or if something is so funny that you're laughing really hard, that joke was so funny I can't even. This is very casual and popular with younger native speakers, but you'll hear it everywhere in everyday conversation. There you have it, 10 English expressions that native speakers use constantly. The secret to sounding more fluent isn't learning harder vocabulary, it's learning the phrases people actually say. So here's your challenge. Pick 3 of these expressions today and try to use them in real conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they'll sound. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Edge for a new English lesson every single day. You've got this.